Alright, so what do you guys go ahead?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube.
I'm talking about this one.
Do we start?
So they're both
I don't know.
blurry white.
Detailed observations before.
That one.
Remember,
right
start with the phase, then the color, then the texture if you can.
Okay, it's a liquid at room temperature.
It's like
don't
a
put your
foggy
Oh, good.
white.
She's being sarcastic.
It's a what?
Did you know you could say when you get the text like
Okay,
I
focus on what we're
love
doing.
that.
It's
liquid?
basic.
It's like a Gatorade, white
You
Gatorade.
can't say like
That
thing.
picture.
So
What's it called that? Because but when you look like this,
clear-ish white.
it's like clear.
What does this have to do with the price of tea in China? What is it?
No, it's the price of rice in China.
Okay, listen.
And then it's
Focus on your
wait.
description.
What do we do after color?
Like texture. I can't feel it.
Liquid.
They're,
Yeah, looks like
they're what?
Who's sick?
Did you hear me
Yep.
say, don't say it looks like?
it feels.
Could you use the word, is it clear?
They're watching my YouTube video right now.
That's it. Use that word.
Okay.
Yes, I like that.
Oh yeah, add cloudy.
Okay, I'm gonna give you guys about one more minute.
Oh, pink.
So are you telling me that they look identical?
What's the last
Yes.
one? Like,
Liquid. I just put liquid because there's nothing else.
Miss Clayton, what do we put for the texture if we can't feel it?
Liquid.
We can't really put it, is it,
It's wet.
is there anything floating in it? Is there anything,
No.
so there's some floating on the bottom? Or is there something that's settled at the bottom?
No.
No.
Okay.
Mine just looks like white Gatorade.
Hey, listen, if you have any kind of substance at the bottom, don't mix them, but go ahead and just by yourself very carefully, just stir
Heck
it
yeah,
and
bro.
see if you can get it to dissolve.
Do we have a
Because they should be
substance?
dissolved.
I don't know, I'm just doing it for fun.
Okay.
Yeah, it should be dissolved. And if it's not, then tell me that there's some substrate or a substance or a
Oh
solid
crap,
at the
there's stuff
bottom.
in this one.
Nah.
Okay, we're gonna come back together here in about 5
That's
seconds.
weird.
4, 3, 2, 1. Finn, leave yours on, okay? Leave the
Alright.
video on. Okay, listen please. I'm recording this for the kids who are gone, so I need you guys quiet. So now that you guys have made your detailed observation of the two substances and you've recorded the properties of each substance in your notes, let's talk about it. What is the state of matter?
Liquid.
Liquid, good. Raise your hand, please. It's liquid at room temperature. I love that. I told you it was dissolved in water. And so it's actually pretty important that we say, because water can be different phases at different temperatures. So both of these substances are solid at room temperature, right?
Solid.
Or I'm sorry, thank you. Liquid at room temperature. Friend, what are you doing? Are you playing with your gloves?
Yeah.
Okay. So liquid at room temperature. How would you describe the color? Raise your hand. MJ.
We said it was translucent.
Okay, I agree
White,
with that. It's
cloudy.
translucent. It's not transparent because it's not clear. Cade, what was the word you guys used over? Cloudy. Okay, translucent, cloudy. Nina? A foggy white. Do you guys understand? So, did anybody have anything else that you wanted to add? Go ahead, Hank.
Blurry.
Blurry. Okay.
It's
Okay,
gotta be like
go
white
ahead.
blurry.
Well, the CaCl.
Calcium chloride.
Well, when you do this, and then you wait for all of it to go down, and then you do this, it does not connect all the way faster. Does that mean like a higher molecule?
Do you think it's
attraction?
thicker?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else notice that?
Yeah.
Take your 2 cups and go ahead and show the video. Take the 2 cups and just turn them they're on their side. Does it feel like they're both the same texture? Or does it look like one is thicker than the other? Is one thicker than the other? Which one did you identify as being a little thicker? NA, okay, so the NA, I'm not, these are your observations, so go ahead and make a note of that in your notes. They both have 15 milliliters of substance in that cup.
This one's taller.
Your cups may be different, yeah. So Braxton, write down if you notice that one was thicker than the other. Okay, great, let's do what we wanna do. So the next thing I'm gonna have you guys do is, don't do it yet, look at my face, look at me, this is very important. If you miss this step, you'll ruin the experiment and you won't see what you're supposed to see. When I tell you to, you're gonna pour the two substances into the empty cup labeled product. Those of you guys that have been working on your vocab, product is what? The end result. So in a chemical reaction, we have the reactants that are on the left-hand side of the arrow, and then we have the product that's on the right-hand side of the arrow. If it was a math equation, you would say 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the answer is our product. So this is our result, our product, okay? When you pour them in, you probably will have to wait up to a minute in order to see. Some of you guys will see it if I dissolved what I was supposed to dissolve and I made the substances exactly the way they're supposed to be, you might see something immediately. Most important thing is don't stir it. So put your product cup right in the middle of your tray. One, you take one cup, the other one take the other cup. Very gently pour them together at the same time. Go. Go. Now just watch.
No, that's
And
not
if
right.
you need to slide your tray towards you, don't move the cup and do it as gently as you can. And we may need to wait up to 1 minute, but do you guys see anything?
Bubble.
Okay, now the bubbles may be just because you guys poured and there may be oxygen that got caught in that and that's just releasing. Now, can you very gently take your cup and turn it on its side? Tip it.
What did that do?
Do you see anything in there?
I saw
It's changing. It's like
a little white thing.
Hang on, I'm gonna give you guys,
What are we supposed to do?
Oh, no,
you'll
we
see
did
it
it
in just a
wrong.
second, hold still. I'm gonna try something.
I don't want to move it too much.
I have like a steak mushroom thing in mine.
Yeah, I got a
Okay, hang on.
bacteria.
When you say bacteria, okay, listen,
Bacteria that big?
hey, listen, I'm gonna give you guys a popsicle stick. One person very carefully reach in there and see if you can lift something out.
Oh crap, we're making popsicles.
Popsicles.
Kelsey, can I come?
Can't wait to eat my toxic
You
popsicle. Tastes like Play-Doh.
I bet you. So excited you can do it.
You made a chunky. Looks like that.
Play-Doh
Okay,
popsicle.
look, you gotta look at this.
Wait, you're not even looking at
Wait, I can't
What do
see
you
it.
think? Don't put it on your tray,
The chunky
because then
water.
you'll have
Oh,
to,
that's disgusting.
Is that the
Ooh,
goal?
it looks like aloe
That is-
vera.
the chunky is the goal.
Okay.
Wait, what did you say?
It looks like aloe
Okay,
vera.
hey, listen,
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna give you guys a paper towel. I
Okay,
want you to put
take
your,
the iPad. That's
hey, is that anything what we started with?
No.
If you were to describe that as a solid, liquid, or a gas, what is that?
In between solid and liquid.
It is a solid, friends. It looks
Yes.
slimy because it's got water in it still. Hey, listen, I'm gonna give you guys a paper towel. I want you to put a chunk of that on the paper towel. We're gonna let it evaporate for the rest of class, and I'm gonna show you what you're left with. And try and spread it out so that it's not, it'll evaporate a lot faster if we spread it out.
My entire thing is like this.
There you go. Put a chunk on there.
Hey, Berkeley, can you hold that for him? Are you not a fan?
She already did it.
Oh, okay, got it. I just, your body language is like, get me away.
Wait, all of it?
No.
Okay, how is it changing as it's drying out, guys?
White.
It's turning white.
It's like rock.
Can you guys just take a little bit of time? Let's speed up the evaporation by adding some energy. Remember, if we want to change the phase, we want the water that's in the solution to evaporate. So let's blow on it. Okay, go. Blow on it. Okay, no. Gently, because you don't want to splatter things everywhere.
Alright, Berkeley, you can do it. I'm
You guys
recording.
see how it used to be clear, kind of a slimy? But is anybody getting kind of a,
Lotion.
like a,
Lotion.
try and take your stick and don't use the wet end, or at least dry off the wet end, and then try and spread it out a little bit. I'm trying to get you guys to see, this is gonna turn into a, like a chalky powder.
Chalk?
Yeah.
Chalk.
Yeah, try to maybe dry off that.
I don't want to stick.
Why did you too?
When did you find out you
Oh, I do.
Since birth.
Keep blowing on it, get that to change.
Stop your TikTok.
Spread out.
Rest. Got a little.
What's your guys'?
That.
If you look at it, it looks different. We're actually.
Does anybody have anything that's kind of remotely dry?
Oh no.
You know what? This is 1,000% safe for you to touch. Go ahead and pick it up and see if you can
How are you
dry out a
gonna?
little bit.
Oh, yeah.
There's like
Okay,
nothing
now
to
wait,
pick
look
up.
at it
Okay.
on your glove. Try and dry it off.
And got some chunks, like where it's
That is
Okay.
not
becoming
dry.
powder.
How do you feel? Good? I'm gonna make sure it's becoming a powder.
Wet.
Beautiful,
It's wet,
beautiful.
dog.
Okay, everybody take a look up here. I'm gonna have you guys clean up. Hey, look at my face. There's a very, very specific way I need you guys to clean up. Like, it's really important. I don't have enough supplies to reset everything. So we're going to, I'm gonna come back here and let you guys do your observations in a second, okay? Actually, I want you to do them now.
I think it's turned cold.
I can't.
Hey,
My
it's
fingers have
cold.
the glue on them.
No.
My finger's really cold.
Yeah,
it's
okay,
cold.
okay, we're gonna
Kinda
come back
nice.
to this. Hey, listen, here's what I'm gonna have you do, listen. Okay, look at my face, everybody. You can go ahead and shut it off.